Hi guys, this is Master Coach Tony Morgan, and today's video is on a unvented cylinder, the Zip Aqua Flow. Now we've got a little fault in this system, and I want to answer this question. What do you think is wrong with this system? So you can see the bottom immersion heater. It's got that spur switch. And then this timer here going to the top immersion heater. So, question, as I said, what do you think's wrong with this system? If you know, just drop it to the post. We'll see who's got it right. Hi guys, hopefully you enjoyed that video. Now I've got 3 great reasons why you should click on the link below. The first one, to see if you got the answers correct. Secondly, you can watch part 2 of this video in more in depth to get more information. And third, to learn more about boiler repair by visiting my boiler repair library. So that's 3 great reasons why you should click on the link below. And one more thing before I go. If you're not already a YouTube subscriber, just click on the link in the corner of this screen, and then you can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more up-to-date videos. So you've got 4 reasons in fact. So that's going to be it from me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.